So it's start of harvest 2019. We're started on our soybeans here. Now I'm back in the grain cart tractor. My brother's running the combine, our 1660 International combine there. We're working on one of our remote fields. It's about the only one that's ready. It was our first planted on October 19th. This is the latest we ever started harvesting. But it's been one of the years for record books all across the country for late planting and late harvest. But I wanted to give you guys an update, and then here I'm going to show you an addition I made to my grain cart. I added this camera system. It's a wireless system, 3 cameras. I've got this view here we're looking at into the grain tank, so I can see when the combine finishes loading me. And then I put a rear view camera on so somebody doesn't run into the back of me. And this camera here is on the auger, so I can see how the grain's going into the truck when I'm filling the truck. What I liked about the wireless system is you didn't have to run coax wires everywhere to connect and disconnect. Granted, you had to run wires, but you only had to run power wires. You just run 12-volt power through your plug that you plug in already for all your implement lights. So you don't have all these extra wires that you have to connect and disconnect and worry about capping. So right up there, you can see that's the camera I have looking into the grain box of the grain cart. It's I don't know, it's a pretty precarious location. I bent that mount already today and I'm not pleased about that. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do different, but I might change that one. I have the other one here, right by the light on the grain auger. And the last one here, right on the main beam here in the back, right next to the slow-moving vehicle sign, so I can see people coming up behind me. You can't see anything out of these grain cart tractors. It doesn't matter what tractor you have, well, how many mirrors you have. They're so big you can't see nothing. So, thanks for watching. So it's the next day now. It's October 20th. We finished on our remote field we were working on yesterday. Did a few acres of custom work that was down in that area, and we moved home. We had a breakdown this late last night and broke the shaft on the reel. So that took our morning to repair that, but got it repaired. You can see there's the combine going again up by the house, and we're on the home place now. So on the home place, I just use the gravity boxes to haul it up to the house. I got my dad's 766 International, mom and dad's 7066, pulling a pair of 300 bushel gravity boxes. Those are center dumps. We use center dumps with our drive over grain pit. And then, I'm just using the 1486 again with our grain cart. It's late in the day. Hopefully the dew don't set on. You can see the headlights are on the combine already. It's 6:30. It's been a long day already. But, of course, Mother Nature is not being very kind to us again. If you can see that, it's like 100% chance of rain, 1.5 inches for tomorrow. And that's just what we do not need. The ground here it's firmed up a lot in the last couple days, but we've had 55, 60 degree highs with some wind, and the highs are predicted after this front comes through. Mid to low 40s. It is just not going to dry. We have a lot of acres to cover yet. But we're going to run until we can't tonight on the soybeans. Get done what we can. Thanks for watching.